Hello everybody, Zeph here with ZeffsTrading. Hope you guys are doing well today, August 15th, 2024. This will be our chart lesson for today. As you can see, nice big bullish day. Not too many setups, unfortunately, for the day that we've had. I think that's just how it is this week. Price action is very slow. Even though we're making moves higher, doesn't feel that way, so just is what it is. But that's okay. That being said, as you can see, pre-market, huge move up, went sideways for a second, and then just had a couple legs to a new high. And at the end of the day, you can see we just very slowly drifting higher and higher. Anyways, that being said, in the pre-market session here in this trading range, I don't see much here. You do have this like really nice bull flag, as we can see, and maybe you take this first entry, second entry long here. It looks a little congested, but if you're just also kind of discretionary trading, you could probably take that bull flag, looking for the new high. That being said, we get a 1, 2, 3 triple test here, but bad signal bar, followed by a lower high. Again, bad lower high. Goes back to the trading range, goes back to the swing low here. And then you get a first entry, second entry short failure, but I don't think this is a very good setup. I'm just kind of reading price action as it goes along here. Then you get this nice higher low, and this one's actually pretty tempting to take, especially getting at least a move back up to the range here, but you're going right into the swing high, and you don't know if this double top is, the finished move of the bullish uptrend. So that being said, don't think, again, not a high probability setup. It does have an attempt to break out here, and it fails. Comes down, and then you get a first entry, second entry short on this first break, which is great. Unfortunately, just not a good signal bar and way away from the EMA. So again, a lot of almost setups today. After that, we get this break new low, and then it comes higher here, and it just, as you can see, very overlapping bars. These are just all overlapping, all overlapping. As we can see, it is holding above the 21 EMA, which is good. Then you just get a first entry, goes higher. Then you get a really nice first entry, second entry long, and this is a double matching bottom low here, followed by a higher low bad signal bar. But overall, this second entry long with an uptrend at two key entry points is pretty textbook, as we can see here. So definitely think that's worth trading. It goes higher and you get a first entry, second entry short failure again. This one's tempting to take, but you just don't have enough room here. Unless you do want to trade for maybe 4 ticks. I think that's at least worth marking. Again, first entry, second entry short failure, good signal bar if you're scalping for 4 ticks or more. It does go higher, so maybe if you have a runner, etc. Anyways, you get this 3 matching bar wick here, 1, 2, and 3. First entry, second entry long, failure again. This is pretty tempting. Let's see how big this bar is. This is a pretty low risk bar. Again, it's just very sideways for today, so you gotta be, it's up to you to determine if you want to trade these small amount, 4 tick, 6 tick scalps, or just not trade at all. Anyways, we get a little move down here, finally break below the EMA, test it, get a higher low, right back up into it, and then you get another first entry, second entry long here, and you can kind of tell that this is, going to be a pretty big bullish day. Your biases should be long. That being said, as it makes a high here, again, first entry, second entry long, and fails, breaks new low, and outside the bottom of this trend channel that really starts here. Below EMA, really nothing here. Again, very congested, a lot of overlapping bars, a lot of wicks, nothing there. You do wait and you get a higher low little movement here, and first entry, second entry short, failure after a higher low to give good context. So it's a failed second entry short, great signal bar. And then this is plenty of room to the past previous swing high, which you get to. As it makes its way up here, it does have a double top, and this is kind of hard to determine because you could also argue for first entry, second entry long, double top does reset count, so maybe you take this one, again, depending on maybe how your data loaded, but for me, I didn't like it. Then we have this kind of almost spike, and then it starts to channel here. Within this was very slow, as you can see. Not a lot of price action happening, but you do get a first entry, second entry short, it fails, and then higher low, and then also first entry, second entry long. Definitely enter with a limit order somewhere back here to make sure your stop is below where it needs to be. It does work out, just takes a while. And then it's followed by another first entry, second entry long. It's an aggressive setup because you're going right into the swing high here. Again, maybe 4 ticks. At the end of the day, the last 10 minutes, we do get the sell-off here, and you get what I saw as a first entry, pulls back, second entry, long into a failure, and you really had to know what you were looking for here. Here's a swing high. First entry made its attempt higher once. This is all one move down, second entry long, and a failure. Make sure you enter with a limit order here. The bars got quite big all of a sudden, but overall, you're still looking for the break and new low, and that was a great failed second entry long. Other than that, that's pretty much it for today. Again, pretty boring day. Really not many trades, unfortunately. It's just how it was. Again, this whole week is probably going to be like this. So know when to trade, know when not to trade, and protect your capital as always. So not much to go over today. Not much to go over this week. Price actions is making higher. Maybe trade some stocks if you can buy the lows. If you did, congratulations. Bought a few myself on that correction over the market. Things still bullish, I'm pretty sure, overall. So just play it day by day. Try to take the best setups you can. If you don't see any best setups, then just don't take any. And that's pretty much how it is. Alrighty, see you guys next time.